Okay, what are we taking a look at today? I got a couple of things. First of all, a couple of new movies I just got to see. First one is The Joker. And I cannot really recommend this one as entertaining, except for the last 10 minutes where the Joker interacts with Robert De Niro's character. That was very satisfying to see what happened between them. And another one is the second ZombieLand, called Double Tap. Just as great as the first, it says right there. If you can stand all the F-bombs, this is pretty good. A lot of zombies. So yeah, I would say not bad. Okay, let's take a look at a Zippo today. Now this one says Viking Warrior Design. It's got that nice protective sleeve. I really like those. And it's in the normal Zippo black box. And it also says Viking Warrior Design above the barcode on the label. And it has the idiotic P65 California warning. This is made in Bradford, PA. And here is the Viking Warrior. It's a nice look. It's just a sticker on there, but it's a pretty cool look. And this was made in K of 19. Which is, I think it's November. Really good stampings on this one. Good sound with a steel insert. Lights up real nice. Let's do a drop test on this Viking. A lit drop test. So yeah, the Viking passes the drop test pretty easily. That's really a good one, I think. And definitely deserves a little cowbell being made in the USA. Oh, sorry, I didn't warn you about the cowbell. I hope it didn't hurt too much. Knuckle bump.